Henry Ford had a vision for a better world. It started with an assembly line that made owning an automobile no longer a luxury. It opened the door to the age of the automobile, changing America forever. Ford continued to innovate and introduced the first post-war truck platform in 1948. Ford brought the sports car to life, starting in 1954 with the Thunderbird, and introduced the Mustang 10 years later, in 1964. In addition, Ford wanted to better the vehicles they were building, so in 1954 they started using crash dummies to find ways to build Ford vehicles better for the future. As we entered the 21st century, Henry Ford's vision for a better world was introduced to modern technology. It started with a hybrid engine to reduce emissions and gas usage. Then a partnership with Microsoft brought safer driving with hands-free communications and GPS. In 2009, Ford introduced the EcoBoost engine as another step in their quest for a better world. 116 years later, and Ford is still making history with Henry Ford's vision. In 2019, Ford released the first all-electric Mustang Mach-E and followed it with the first all-electric truck in the U.S., the Ford F-150. Ford is building for a better world today and into the future. Come, be a part of Henry's vision. Help us make the world better for the future.